Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the left we've got the timer option, the timer icon. So let's tap on it and you can see that this device offers us three different options connected with the timer. So off, which is currently applied, 3 and 10 seconds. 3, not 3, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds. As you can see, the icon will change. You have this information. You've got also the number inside the shutter button, so you won't miss the timer. So all you have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so this is how it works. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this timer icon and tap on the icon without any kind of number. So from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.